Well, hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are making stir-fried chicken. Cue the music. Well, hey everybody, I am Chef John Politte and you are watching It's Only Food. If this is your first time watching this channel, or if you just want to learn how to continue to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then do yourself a favor and click on that little subscribe button in the corner and then hit that little notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make stir-fried chicken, so let's head into the kitchen and check out what our ingredients are. As you can see here, I've got two chicken breasts. I've already poached them. They are fully cooked. Then we're going to have some wonderful peppers, onions, garlic, and ginger. I've got some broccoli. It is fresh frozen. And then we have sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, and some soy sauce to finish this off. Alright, I am going to cut all these peppers up. What I'm going to do is cut them into thin slices, and then we are going to put everything into our bowls and set up our mise en place for this stir fry. We're going to do the peppers first. Alright, now the chicken breast I poached. I took two of these, poached them in some water, of course, with white wine, peppercorns, parsley, and some chili flakes, just to make it a softer. As you can see, it's cut really nice there. There's some beautiful chicken meat there. And I'm just going to take and cut these all lengthwise like this, and then I am just going to cut it right like that, give it strips of chicken meat right there. Same with this. Now with the onion, I'm just going to do the same thing as I did with the peppers. Just going to do a nice julienne. Just like that. I'm going to throw that right in there with the peppers. I'm going to take about that much of the ginger, like that. Make a square by peeling it. Get all the skin off of it. Oh, that is very, very pungent. I love the smell of ginger. Just going to cut that in half. And I'm going to leave it slivered because I don't want it. I want to be able to see it and taste it and identify it in the dish. So I'm just going to sliver that right up. This will cook rather nicely, and we're going to set that right in there with the peppers and the onions. Now we've got our ginger all cleaned up, and basically I'm just going to smash it with the knife and then just kind of break it all up, and we will put this in with our other aromatics in the bowl. We have our mise en place ready to go. Chicken, our aromatics with the ginger, the garlic, the onions, and the pepper, and then our broccoli all ready to go. We're going to head over to the pan and get this set up. Alright, well, I've got just enough oil in the pan to lubricate all the ingredients that are going to be going into it and to not stick. I don't want to drown everything with too much oil because we do have soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine vinegar going into this as well. And we're not going to thicken this with a cornstarch. So I'm going to start out, we're going to throw our aromatics in here and let those start to sweat. We want about a medium-high heat. I'm just going to let these sweat down until the onions get a little bit caramelized. All right, at this point, they are halfway where I want them to be. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce and continue to stir. I'll let that cook out a little bit. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of the rice wine vinegar. And to mellow that out, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Bring it back up to heat. Add our chicken. Stir that in there as well. Now this is frozen broccoli, so I'm going to add all of that in there right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn that heat down just a little bit, cover it, and let that broccoli cook and get hot along with the chicken, and we'll be back. That looks fantastic. Smells really, really good with that ginger and that garlic and onion. That broccoli is still ice cold. I'm turning it down. I'm going to walk away for probably 7 to 8 minutes to get it completely cooked through. Then we're going to plate this up. We are going to take some fantastic pictures of it for social media. I'm going to lay those pictures on the timeline with some groovy music, and then we will come back and give this a taste and let you see it. Stir fry. Grab the broccoli right there. It's really good. Peppers. The chicken looks like noodles because they're so cut so big. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the camera, put it up on the tripod, and we will taste some of this for you and let you know what it tastes like. Start with some broccoli right there. Looks real good. Some of the chicken. I got some pepper and onion there. It's got a little garlic and ginger attached to it on the side I'm looking at. I'll give that. Bursting with flavor. Alright, well this was a very, very good dish. Lots and lots of bold flavors. The garlic, the ginger, the onions, the pepper, the sesame oil, the soy sauce, all that umami that wrapped it all up in a nice tight bow and brought it all together. That chicken is very soft because we poached it. I would advise doing the poaching. A little bit of wine, a little bit of peppercorns, some parsley in there. It'll give it just a little kick into that breast when it cooks in that water with the wine. It takes about 10 minutes to do all this prep and put this together. Very simple meal. Your kids will love it. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Alright, well thanks so much for watching today. I really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to go down to my description box and check out all those awesome links that I've got down there. I've got one for my seasoning. I have an Etsy store where I sell all my wonderful gourmet seasonings. And then also make sure you stalk me on social media. All those links are also provided down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and like this video. Leave all your comments right down below. And then make sure you share this video with everybody that you know. Take care, and we'll see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.